Hello friends! In this video, I am going to review the top 5 best bidet toilet attachments just for you. Here, I have tested 5 different best bidet toilet attachments to see which one offers value for your money. If you are looking for a good product in terms of quality and price, then all of them are reasonable. These products are budget-friendly and offer the best of the best. Here is a summary of each product's usefulness, why you should buy it, and what to watch out for. I have compiled a list of these 5 best products based on my user experience to help you make a quick decision as a buyer. So, let's get started. Product number 1. Luxe Bidet Neo 120 Non-Electric. The Luxe Bidet Neo 120 is a standout in the non-electric category, combining simplicity with high performance. Its dual nozzle system provides both front and rear cleansing, catering to a variety of hygiene needs. Constructed with durable ABS plastic and stainless steel nozzles, it promises long-lasting reliability. The adjustable water pressure control is intuitive, giving users precise customization for comfort. Installation is straightforward, requiring no electricity and minimal tools, making it ideal for most standard toilets. Its compact, ergonomic design blends seamlessly into the bathroom environment while ensuring efficient water coverage. Users appreciate the self-cleaning nozzle feature, which maintains hygiene between uses. Overall, the Luxe Bidet Neo 120 offers excellent value, balancing affordability, quality, and performance without the need for complex setups or electrical connections.
Product number 2. Slim Edge Attachment Electric Install Internal. The Slim Edge electric bidet attachment elevates comfort with its internal electric heating system. Unlike traditional non-electric models, it provides warm water on demand, ideal for colder climates or year-round comfort. Its sleek, low-profile design ensures it fits discreetly under most toilet seats, preserving bathroom aesthetics. The intuitive control panel allows precise temperature and pressure adjustments, while the retractable nozzle minimizes maintenance and ensures hygiene. Installation requires an electrical outlet nearby, but once set up, it operates seamlessly. Build quality is robust, with corrosion-resistant materials and reinforced mechanisms designed for frequent use. While slightly higher in price, its combination of warm water functionality, ergonomic design, and reliable performance makes it a premium choice for those seeking a spa-like bathroom experience.
Product number 3. Bidet Attachment Non-Electric Retractable Self-Cleaning. This non-electric bidet attachment offers practical features at an affordable price. Its retractable nozzle ensures that water is delivered accurately while keeping the nozzle clean between uses. The adjustable water pressure and angle control allow for personalized comfort without any complicated settings. Made from durable, high-quality ABS plastic, it resists cracking and discoloration, even with frequent use. Installation is simple and tool-free, fitting most standard toilets in minutes. Its minimalist design complements modern bathrooms while providing effective cleaning. Users often highlight its quiet operation and ease of maintenance, with no need for electrical connections. This attachment is ideal for anyone seeking a reliable, budget-friendly bidet that prioritizes hygiene and functionality. Product number 4. Big Cow Ultra Slim Non-Electric Attachment Adjustable. The Big Cow Ultra Slim Bidet stands out for its exceptionally thin profile, making it one of the most discreet options available. Despite its slim design, it offers adjustable water pressure and a precise nozzle aimed for thorough cleansing. The non-electric system is straightforward and eco-friendly, relying solely on water pressure, which also simplifies maintenance. Constructed with high-quality ABS materials, it ensures long-lasting durability. Installation is fast, requiring no professional help, and the attachment is compatible with most toilet models. Its self-cleaning nozzle enhances hygiene, and the ergonomic design provides comfort without taking up extra space. For those seeking a minimalist, efficient, and reliable bidet attachment, the Big Cow Ultra Slim is a top contender. Product number 5. Tushy Classic 3.0 Non-Electric Self-Cleaning. The Tushy Classic 3.0 is a premium non-electric bidet attachment known for its robust build and user-friendly features. Its dual nozzle design provides both front and rear cleansing with adjustable water pressure for tailored comfort. Constructed from durable ABS plastic and corrosion-resistant components, it offers long-term reliability. The self-cleaning nozzle ensures maximum hygiene between uses, and the ergonomic design complements most bathroom setups. Installation is simple, requiring no electricity and minimal tools, making it accessible for most homeowners. Many users praise the Tushy Classic 3.0 for its sleek design, smooth operation, and superior cleaning performance. It represents an excellent investment for those prioritizing comfort, hygiene, and durability without the complexity of electrical bidets.